안녕하세요, L2.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so let's have our PEMDAS activity. So please state the equation as well as the correct answer. Okay, please read. Go.
The quantity of 25 minus 5 squared, close parenthesis, plus 18 divided by 3 times 2.
What is the correct answer?
12.
Very good. Number 2.
48 divided by the quantity of 6 times 2, close parenthesis, plus 15 minus 3 squared. Our answer is 10.
Okay, number 3.
The quantity of 12 plus 6, close parenthesis, times the quantity of 15 divided by 3, close parenthesis, minus 8 squared.
Okay, so what is the answer?
56.
Next number.
100 divided by the quantity of 5 times 2, close parenthesis, plus the quantity of 4 squared times 3, close parenthesis, minus 10. Our answer is 48.
Last number 5.
The quantity of 60 minus 26, close parenthesis, divided by 6, plus the quantity of 9 times 3, close parenthesis, divided by minus 4 squared.
Okay, so what is the correct answer?
15.
Okay, very good. So please do study sa PEMDAS. So you already know nga ang PEMDAS is basic mathematical equation ang involved. Parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, as well as subtraction. So please study ha. You can research also to YouTube videos related to educational what do you call that one? Educational videos. So, pwede ka ay mo maka-research. Okay ra? Okay, very good. So, bye-bye!
Bye-bye!